How to change passenger information on Xiamen Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change passenger information on Xiamen Airlines. And this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Xiamen Airlines account, just like I've done here. And then once you're on this page, the next step would be for you to move to the section where you can see options like booked flight, flight status, my trip, optional services. So click on my trip. On the my trips page, you'll be asked to determine the ticket number of the flight, whose passengers information you'd like to change, the last name, first name, verification code, and then search. By clicking on search, the flight containing these details will be displayed and the flight details as well. So on the flight details page, next step is for you to locate the passenger information. Next to the passenger information tab, you'll see a pencil icon or the edit option. Click on that. Then go ahead to make necessary changes that you want to make. Save your changes, and then just like that, your passenger information will be changed. If you added more passengers, your fee would increase and then you'll be required to pay the additional fee. Do not forget to do that. If not, your passenger information will not be updated. So once you're done, your passenger information will be changed and you're good to go. But if you need further assistance, you can just contact the customer support by moving to the contact us tab of Xiamen Airlines, and then reach out to them, make your complaint known, and tell them you would like to change your personal information and all of that. Just let it be known, and your request will be granted. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.